નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, ધોરણ 7 દ્વિતીય સત્ર કમ્પોઝિશન એમાં જે જઈશું ભાગ 3 નોન વર્બલ ટેક્સ્ટ, જેના પાના નંબર છે 41 થી 45. નંબર 1, અહીંયા એક એડવર્ટાઇઝમેન્ટ આપે છે ચંપક ડિટર્જન્ટ પાવડરની. તો જોઈએ આપણે તેના આધારે પ્રશ્નો. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1, વોટ ઇઝ ધ નેમ ઓફ ધ પ્રોડક્ટ? આન્સર, ધ નેમ ઓફ ધ પ્રોડક્ટ ઇઝ ચંપક ડિટર્જન્ટ પાવડર. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 2, what is the price of the product? Answer, the price of the product is rupees 20. Question number 3, what is the net weight? Answer, the net weight is 500 grams. Number 6, write the name of the company. Answer, the name of the company is Hindustan Shops Limited. Number 5, what is free with the product? Answer, 1 bar of Super Rin is free with the product. Number 2, શ્રીનાથ પ્રોવિઝન સ્ટોરનો અહીંયા એડવર્ટાઇઝમેન્ટ આપેલ છે, તેના આધારે પ્રશ્નો જોઈશું. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1, વોટ ઇઝ ધ નેમ ઓફ ધ સ્ટોર? આન્સર, ધ નેમ ઓફ ધ સ્ટોર ઇઝ શ્રીનાથ પ્રોવિઝન સ્ટોર. નંબર 2, વેર ઇઝ ધ સ્ટોર? આન્સર, ધ સ્ટોર ઇઝ એટ પોરબંદર. Number 3, what does it sell? Answer, it sells all grocery items. Number 4, when is the shop open? Answer, the shop is open at 9 am. Number 5, when is the shop closed? Answer, the shop is closed at 9 pm. એ જ રીતે એડવર્ટાઇઝ નંબર 3 જોઈશું. સિટી બુક સ્ટોર વિશે છે. Question number 1, how much is the discount on notebooks? Answer, the discount on notebooks is 15%. Number 2, what is the name of the shop? Answer, the name of the shop is City Book Store. 3, the shop has many branches in the city. True or false? Answer number false. 4, what is the last date of the discount offer? The last date of the discount offer is June 30, 2014. Number 5, how much is the discount on textbooks? Answer, the discount on textbook is 25%. Advertise number 4, sell advertise છે કાલા બહાર. Question number 1, what is the name of the shop? Answer, the name of the shop is Kala Bahar. Number 2, when is the shop open every day? Answer, the shop is open at 10 am every day. Number 3, what is the discount? Answer, the shop. Answer, the discount is 20%. Number 4, what does the shop sell? The shop sells sarees and dress materials. Number 5, when is the shop closed? Answer, the shop is closed at 9 pm. બિલ નંબર 5 જોઈશું. અહીંયા આપણે એક બિલ આપેલું છે આદિત્ય બુક સ્ટોરનું. જોઈશું. વિચ આઇટમ કોસ્ટ રૂપીઝ 190? આન્સર, ધ કોસ્ટ ઓફ ધ રૂપીઝ 190 ઇઝ અ ડિક્શનરી. Number 2, what is the price of one long book? Answer, the price of one long book is rupees 65. Number 3, what is the name of the shop? Answer, the name of the shop is Aditya Book Store. Number 4, how many single line notebooks did Shreya buy? Answer, Shreya bought 6 single line notebooks. Number 5, what is total amount of the bill? The total amount of the bill is rupees 460. Advertise number 6, Chandan Shop. Question number 1, what is the weight of the shop? Answer, the weight of the shop is 100 grams. Number 2, what is the price of the shop? Answer, the price of the shop is rupees 12. Number 3, who is the manufacturer of this shop? Hindustan Shops Limited, Morbi, is the manufacturer of this shop. Number 4, what is free with 3 shops? Answer, 1 pack of active washing powder is free with 3 shops. 5. Is the shop available Gujarat? Yes, the shop is available in Gujarat. નંબર 7 અહીં ટાઈમ ટેબલ આપેલું છે તેના આધારે પ્રશ્નો જોઈશું. નંબર 1. Which subject will the students learn at 10 minutes to 12? The student will learn English subject at 10 minutes to 12. Number 2. Who teaches maths? Answer. Mr. Shah teaches maths. Number 3. Does Mr. Modi teach English? Answer. No, Mr. Modi does not teach English. Number 4. When will the students learn science? Answer. The students will learn science from 25 minutes past 12 to 1 o'clock. Number 5. How long is the short break? Answer. The short break is 15 minutes long. Thank you.